Hi friends, dandruff is known to almost all the people because every one of us might have experienced it at some point. Dandruff can affect at any age, sometimes even kids have dandruff. It's medically called as seborrheic dermatitis and seborrhea. Do you know what causes dandruff? As most of us believe, it is not a fungus nor bacteria issue. It is caused by the imbalance in the oil production and oil secretion. That's why you see dandruff is most common in people with oily skin. Dandruff may get worsened due to poor hygiene, cold weather, and infrequent shampooing. To get rid of dandruff, we simply buy the anti-dandruff shampoos from the store. They may give temporary relief, but they are full of harsh and dangerous chemicals. They may cause dry hair, hair loss, grey hair, and other side effects. Now, I am going to explain one simple and easy remedy which is truly scientific and works perfectly to treat any type of mild to severe dandruff. Welcome to my channel, Break the Snow.
For this, you need aloe vera gel. This is antifungal and is very effective to relieve symptoms of dandruff. Tea tree oil. It has excellent antimicrobial properties and is proven to reduce dandruff. Aspirin. Aspirin or Disprin is a simple painkiller, but it has an ingredient called salicylic acid. This helps to get rid of dandruff naturally and effectively. Now let's see how to make this. Take 4 aspirin pills, crush them into a fine powder using mortar and pestle. Make it as smooth powder as possible. Now we have got the aspirin powder. Take this into a clean dry bowl. Toss in 2 teaspoons of aloe vera gel into this. Now add around 5 to 6 drops of tea tree oil. Mix them up very well. Now set this aside for 10 minutes so that the aspirin powder dissolves in the gel. After 10 minutes, the powerful anti-dandruff gel is ready. Now you can use cotton balls to apply this gel all over the scalp. I prefer to take it into a squeeze bottle like this. Using syringe, I am carefully collecting all this into a squeeze bottle so that I can store this and use it whenever I need. Now gently squeeze the gel onto the scalp. Spread it with fingers quickly. Try to cover all the scalp with this gel. Avoid applying too much, otherwise it may drip into the eyes. Now with the help of soft bristles brush, gently brush the scalp once. Don't brush too much. It should be short and gentle. This will remove the flakes attached to the hair. Leave it on for 10 minutes and wash away with your favorite shampoo. Repeat it every alternate day for 3 days and say goodbye to dandruff once for all. Thank you.
Please like our video and subscribe. Tap on bell notification to get more interesting videos.